guys.
What?
Okay.
We got some items today, guys. So I'm the assassin.
I'm Bro.
No, I'm not gonna name you Bro. I'm just gonna call you Joe.
Okay.
I can't figure a name for it. But we got a bunch of stuff of my friends. He doesn't have any. Bugger off. I'm joking.
Yes, I do. There's a box to me.
I know, they're a box for both of us, actually.
It's a pretty small box, but
I got 3 boxes.
there's like pretty 2 small boxes, but I'm gonna open one
I'm
of
gonna open
mine.
mine.
Woo. Well, I found something.
Superheroes coming our way. Oh my god. He's coming. He's still coming. God. How long is it taking?
Well, superheroes do take long. The assassinate. I'm just gonna call you Assassin. Cause like it's shorter. Well, I've got a T-shirt. Oh my god.
Giggity goo. I'm gonna wear this mask.
They sent you a mask.
I got 2 more boxes to go.
Okay, I got 1.
I put my box up on my desk.
Okay.
Joe's is on the floor though.
I've got my other thing. It looks quite nice. This thing.
That's hitting it. Disgusting. I'm taking it off.
They put
Plus
it.
it's warm. I got a t-shirt.
I've got a jacket thingamajig.
I got a t-shirt. It's really nice though. I like it.
I like it because
I'm gonna wear it.
it's kind of pink. I'm gonna wear this for you guys.
Damn. This box is actually... This box is shoes. Right, I'm gonna open it now.
Okay, I'm just putting it on my thing. Guys, how you like it? How you like it? It looks orange on the video, but it's actually kind of pink.
No, it's red.
Reddish.
I got new high tops. Thank you guys, my friends.
How are they so good? Oh wait, because you're in there. They're just so good to you.
Dun, dun, dun. What are we gonna do for the video now? It's only been 2 minutes. Let me see. I can't see yet. Still can't see.
Your eye just looks so creepy.
Yeah, how does it look like with it? I advise little kids to not watch this.
Yeah, but what if your subscribers is a little kid? Okay.
You look so ugly.
I
I look beautiful.
No, you
How dare you? I'm so beautiful.
No, you don't.
Don't squeeze me. Oh, wait, let me squeeze you.
Oh, what?
Oh, somebody's slapping you, I think. Oh, it's your mum.
Hi, Mum. Because I wanted to know where you were. How's everyone going? I just wanted to know. I was ringing you earlier because I went over Brandon's. Over Brandon's.
Okay. Shemay, where's my phone?
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
If you say no.
Oh, I've got a J1.
I got a cute minion face.
He's got Bob. He's got Bob as his thing, as his wallpaper. I think. Oh yeah, because I watched him.
Okay, I'm ending the video now.
We're both on our phones, like it's like not speaking.
Hope you enjoyed this quick video.